In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from MetaMask to Binance step by step. First, open the Binance app or website and log in. Go to Wallet, then select Deposit and choose USDT. Now pick the network you want to receive on, for example, Ethereum, ERC20, or BNB Smart Chain, BEP20. Binance will show you a USDT deposit address for that network. Tap Copy to copy it. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and unlock it. At the top, make sure you're on the same network you selected on Binance. And if Binance showed a BEP20 address, you must be on BNB Smart Chain. If it was ERC20, you must be on Ethereum mainnet. On the MetaMask main screen, find and tap USDT, then tap Send. In the recipient field, paste the Binance deposit address you copied. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, then review the network fee and details carefully. When everything looks correct, tap Next and then Confirm. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your USDT will appear in your Binance wallet under the network you chose. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.